Hello friend, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to discuss about the 7-day body detoxification challenges point. In this video, in second day, I will explain how we can reduce sleep disturbance, overthinking using by some acupressure points only. First we see the location of the point, but before starting, if you are like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are suffering from any other diseases, comment me down in comment box. I will make video on that topic. First we see the location of the point. First we mark the point. And then massage with prop to activate the point. We will keep a small piece of paper tape and apply star magnet in such a way that the sharp end is touch your skin. This point is called H7. K3, SP6. We will keep this point at least for 7 to 8 hours regularly. So I would advise you to apply during night to get best result out of this. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.